While navigating on the road, keep your phone easily in sight and hands-free with the Steely Free-Mount Car Mount Kit from Nite Ize. This kit pairs the versatility of the free-mount bracket with the classic appeal of the Steely Dash Ball. With or without a case, almost any phone stays gripped securely in the Free-Mount's arms. The powerful magnet on the back of the Free-Mount bracket with its high-friction silicone center articulates around the Steely Dash Ball, allowing for adjustable viewing angles. The Universal Fit Free-Mount works with a large variety of smartphones. If your phone is on the small side, you may need to add the size adjustment pads for a snug fit. The quick release button on the back of the mount allows you to release your phone and go. Installing the Steely Dash Ball is easy. First, clean your dash to remove the dust, dirt, or residue. Peel the paper from the 3M VHB adhesive patch and press the dash ball into place. On your next journey, click into the Steely Free-Mount Car Mount Kit from Nite Ize and hit the road, safely, hands-free.
With the newly routed Navity display, we can now change it and add features. I always found triple click on the dial bringing up a brightness setting to be quite useless, but now I've changed it to switch from maps to dash and back again. Now I can switch back and forth between the two on any drive. Get hacking.
Sun, cold and dirt cause windscreen wipers to age. This results in poor visibility. First, fold out the wipers and clean them thoroughly with a damp sponge. When using for the first time, select guide number 1 and slide it on the wiper lip. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow. Now slide the EcoCut Pro along the whole wiper lip, applying even pressure. After trimming, clean the wiper lip again with a damp sponge. EcoCut Pro can be used multiple times. Each windscreen wiper can be trimmed twice. Revive your windscreen wipers with EcoCut Pro. Protects the environment and your wallet. Greater safety thanks to clear visibility. EcoCut Pro.
This is the RapidX X5 and X1, two high-speed car chargers. The X5 charges up to 5 devices twice as fast as regular chargers. The two front ports use something called intelligent recognition to read your devices and charge accordingly, sending out up to 2.4 amps. They power devices almost twice as fast as your average wall charger. With a 5-foot cable, the X5 easily extends to the back seat, providing a steady stream of 2 amps to each of the 3 back ports. That's enough power to charge a phone, tablet, and handheld gaming device all at the same time. With the X5 charger, everyone can claim a port and get a full battery fast. If you're more of a solo driver, RapidX also makes the X1 with a single lightning connector that charges an Apple device at twice the speed. Whether you need to charge a single device or a whole group, RapidX gets the job done fast.
If you drive, chances are you've got a speeding ticket. And let's be honest, some of you more than others. Don't worry, we get it. You're important. You're super important. You're slow motion, tossing your hair in the wind important. And you gotta get there 42 seconds earlier. I get it. Me too. The thing is, you're not. And speeding, that's some serious stuff. Fact is, we spend $8 billion a year on speeding tickets. And that's just in North America. This stops now. That's why we designed TrapTap. This round little marvel can save your life and your bank account. See? Cool, right? Your TrapTap will notify you of potential driving alerts, such as red light cameras in school zones by flashing red. It'll even flash green to let you know when you're speeding. Also, this little guy flashes blue for those hidden speed traps and camera cars. We rely on you and everyone else to help find these around your city. When you see a speed trap and your TrapTap doesn't light up, it means you're the first one to find it. You're like a modern day Columbus. Just tap twice and boom, you just saved everyone cash, possibly a life. Sounds like that can be annoying, right? No, it's not. Just tap the device once while it's lit up to silence it. Think the speed trap is no longer there? Double tap to remove the alert and update the community. Thinking about setting fake alerts? Don't bother. We have algorithms to prevent false positives. That's fancy talk for it. It won't work. I know what you're thinking. Scotty, I already have nav. Why do I need this? Good thing they're easy to use and not distracting at all. What the f*** is that? And yes, we know there are other maps and apps that can help you too. Problem is, they're confusing and dangerous to use. So dangerous, they force you to take your eyes off the road. Now this is easy and safe. All right, let's say your car isn't available and you need to use your friend's ride. You can't take that fancy nav system with you. With TrapTap, it's simple. To change cars, just pick it up and move it. What's that? You don't have a car? I hear you, brother. We haven't forgotten about you. Easily attach your TrapTap to your bike and you're ready to ride. So let's be real. We want you to be safe and lower the amount of money you waste on speeding tickets so you can continue to do the things that you love. We are TrapTap. You're not so annoying, backseat driver.
Hey everyone, my name is Bryce. This is Adam, Dustin, and Gord. We're really excited to show you our new product called TrapTap.
This little guy sits in your dash to let you know when you're near red light cameras, school zones, or speed traps.
We started this project because each of us had a unique problem and there was no simple, cheap, and legal way to fix all of them.
You know, I think I'm a great driver, but I get about 3 to 5 speeding tickets each year, and over time these really just add up.
Yeah, I don't speed as much, but my concern's always near school zones, a kid jumping out or something like that.
Yeah, my wife gives me a really tough time for speeding a lot. Now I've got this device and it's not so annoying.
So we really could use your help to fund this product here. We have a final working product and really want to get these out in everyone's hands. It'd save you a bit of cash and hopefully make the world a little bit safer place.